things do happen out of bad things. If you've never heard the quote, sometimes your bad luck is actually your good luck, I think that's so true, because although people say this is such bad luck, it actually could have been the good luck of the bad luck. I mean, it could have been a lot worse, my accident. Another note with like my talks, because I haven't done one of these in a while, I know you guys like them, so here's another one. Something that comes up in my client sessions a lot is like harnessing your femininity without being overly feminine. I'm not an overly feminine person. My personality isn't very feminine. I am a lot more masculine than feminine. And I'm also very aware though that I want to be, in my feminine. To attract someone that's really masculine, you actually need to be in your feminine. Anyway, and it's good for your period, your cycle, and just for like your womanhood. So often it's really hard to get into live in a very, very masculine world where we are constantly running around and doing, people looking at me, and doing very masculine things and always being like go, 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 and that like go, 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 got to achieve shit attitude, which is great and I love it. That's just one thing that I really actually quite enjoy. I love the go, go, go. But something I do that's really easy to harness my femininity without needing to do, like something really feminine, like, I don't know, have a bath. Like without having to do that, this is what I do instead. I wear something feminine. So I put on pretty dresses, I put effort into my hair instead of just leaving it to be like really like wavy and just like raggy and whatever. I do love it when I do leave it, but sometimes I like to put a little bit of effort in. And I actually find this is really uplifting and it makes me feel like a lot more of my feminine. Other things I do is, like a little bit of dry body brushing in the morning or of an evening. Yeah, putting on some eco tan, fake tan to make myself look and feel sexy and good. Wearing earrings is a really good one. I was actually going to put some on, but I was running out the door. So like I just have these ones I always have in. But putting on like some big nice earrings can really do it. Putting effort into your makeup, putting maybe some eyeliner on one day or lipstick if that makes you feel good. All those things are actually really helpful. And the whole point of this is it doesn't need to be some big exercise where you run a bath and light 100 candles and cover your body in coconut oil and essential oils, because that takes time and effort, and a lot of the time I'm like, fuck that shit, no one's got time for that. But what I like doing instead is just wearing clothes that make me feel feminine instead of walking around in gym gear all the time. Like I have a physio appointment, but there was so much to celebrate today that I was just like, no, I'm wearing a nice dress, and I just got this beautiful dress in the mail from Spell and I love it and I'm so excited to wear it. And I was like, no, I'm gonna put on a dress. And I know my physio is gonna, walk out and be like, why the fuck are you wearing a dress, Monica? He always says, whenever I'm wearing a dress, he's like, what the fuck are you doing? But I brought my shorts to put underneath it, but I wanted to feel good. And I was like, I'm not wearing my gym gear for the rest of today because I was wearing it this morning. I was like, I'm not wearing it, I'm putting on something nice. And it does allow you to step into that femininity, and I can guarantee you that you then put out more feminine energy and you put out your more feminine essence, and you can connect to your feminine energy in your womb. I talked about that on another Instagram story, which is actually, I put that up on my YouTube, that Instagram story. Anyway, that's my little talk for today. I hope that resonated with some of you guys or gave you some ideas. Let me know if it did, and if there's any other topics that you guys struggle with, please let me know, and I'd love to just like share my thoughts on it, because sometimes I run out of ideas for these sort of things. I've been feeling a bit so this one just came to me, and I wasn't planning on doing this in public because I don't like Instagram storying myself in public, but I thought I'd do it anyway because it came to me and I wanted to share it with you guys. So if there's anything else that you struggle with, spirituality wise, femininity, masculinity, hit me up, because I struggle with that too. I struggle with it a lot. I like to just be in my masculine. I do love to step into the feminine, but it's easier to be in the masculine for me. So let me